So here let's test this coordinate. So 2 and 5. Okay, x is 2, y is 5. Okay, so x is 2, y is 5 is going to be 2, 5, right about there. I plug it into my inequality. Okay, so I get 10 minus 15 is negative 5, bigger than 15. No, that doesn't work. So that is not part of my solution set. Okay, so again, I want to find my area solution, so I need to know the boundary. So I'm going to solve for the y here. In this case, I don't want to divide by negative, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add 3y's to both sides and subtract 15 from both sides. That way I don't have to divide by negative here, so my inequality sign doesn't have to flip. I'm going to end up with 5 over 3x minus 5. So this is, the solution is going to be y-intercept is at negative 5. It's not including the boundary, so I'm going to draw the dotted line. It's going to be rise of 5, run of 3. Rise of 5, run of 3. Rise of 5, run of 3. Okay, so it's going to be something that looks like this. And because I don't include the boundary as my part of my solution set, I'm going to draw that line as dotted. I can also see that the red dot above doesn't work, so I should assume that below works. And if I verify my inequality sign y is less than, yeah, that also verifies that I should be using below the line as my solution set. Okay, so there's my solution set below the line. Okay, so I can test any of those dots on that side and it will satisfy my inequality. So in this case here, and in fact I've kind of missed this, but knowing our linear equation, we could use our intercepts to graph this, and just want to just make sure that we remember how to do that. To use intercepts to graph, if I make x equals 0, solve for y, y is going to equal negative 5. Okay, so there's my intercept of negative 5. If y is 0, I solve for x, I divide both sides by 5, our x-intercept becomes positive 3. So that's how we can draw this line using intercepts. So this is just a refresher back to grade 10. That's a strategy we had in grade 10 to draw these equations, linear equations, using intercepts when we have this general form equation.